Roger, 04 Hotel traffic, see Cherokee about 3 miles southwest of the airport, entering our right base for the right side.
Roger that, we're looking for traffic.
I think that's over here.
Looking 33, traffic's an Archer, turning about a 2-mile final for the left side, runway 14 right, clear for the option.
The runway?
33 is in traffic in sight. Cleared option 14 right, looking 33.
And I want to make sure that I'm not gonna land on the taxiway. Although with these small planes.
33 after the option, would you like to stay in the pattern or did you want to depart back towards St. Louis downtown?
We're going to depart for St. Louis downtown, but looking 33.
Looking 33, Roger, after the option, turn right on course.
After the option, turn right on course, but looking 33.
From this distance I can easily glide it, right?
Yeah, you're really high too, so.
I mean, if we had an engine failure.
Got a little crosswind going on, but you know that because it's 60-degree crosswind at 9 knots.
That's correct. Okay, I'm on a good glide slope now.
Yes, you are.
How come the other runway has this like pointing, the flashing pointer?
That's a part of the ILS. They only have that on 3-2 right.
Yeah. That's more of a, so that's an IFR thing, right?
Yes.
Well, we don't want to slow down too much. Okay, let's do my crosswind correction in. High.
Back on the center. Back on the center. Okay.
Fire control, should I go, Roger?
Nice job.